Today I'm taking a look at the DURATECH Mini Flex Head Ratchet and Bit driver. That is awesome. So it is just a tiny 1/4-inch driver. We got a 1/4-inch drive right there, and we got our bit holder on the other side. What these are great for is if you have like a Phillips head screw in a spot that doesn't have a lot of clearance, you can just take a bit, throw that in there, and then you can use this just like a Chapman. So these things, they can really save you in a pinch. And the fact that I can drive that just by grabbing it from the back makes it even nicer. It is reversible, and it does have a very nice feeling head on it. It is a flex head, so we can move that thing up and down if we ever need to get into a spot that's kind of at a weird angle. This is basically going to be the best tool for the job. Nice and small, nice and lightweight. You can throw this thing in a pouch and it will take up almost no room. That is a pretty awesome little tool.